Hello survivors, today I'm going to show you how to farm maple. And first of all, these are the things that I'm going to use to farm maples, guys. And especially this thing, you need the staff of support, which you can craft very easily. And the skill you need is the healer, so that the thing becomes very much easy for you. If you kill zombie, you can heal up with the help of the skill. And I'll show you how to make the support staff. It's very easy to craft. Here it is, the staff of support. So as you can see the requirements, it's very easy, guys. You can craft it, and you just need a strong hatchet and a level 1 backpack and a spear, nothing else, guys. You just need these things, but you know it will like make the things easy for you, and even if you die you will not feel sad that I have lost like so much stuff. So first of all, head on towards the red forest, and yeah, let's enter towards with friend zone, guys. First of all, go towards the with friend zone, and now start searching for maple. But if you can see a box like this, then farm it, guys. Just open the box and you might find a rare weapon, but I'll not go for it. Oh wait, I might go for it. No, I'm not going for it. There is a freaking bear out there. Okay, so let's find the maple out here. The maple, what do you say, log? Yeah, maple log out here. Oh, I found one, guys, but it's surrounded by two enemies. I need to see what kind of enemies are those things. Oh, it's a freaking giant hermit, and this one is, which is this one? I cannot see the other one. It's the wolf. Okay, I can take both of them down, but my spear might break, so I need to make a new spear right now. Okay, there is a box out here also. Let's just quickly check this box. Oh shoot, what the flip? Okay, I can kill him very easily. What do you have? Oh freaking god. That's why, guys, always loot the chest in the red zone. You might find awesome stuff like this, and I do not want to die. These are the things. I'll delete it. So no one will know that someone is out here. That's why. Let's try for the giant hermit. Okay, here we go. Perfecto. After 2 hits, he does the special thing, guys. So just for a good knowledge purpose, I'm just telling you guys. And I broke my weapon. Okay, where is my spear? Let me just dodge his attack. The special attack. Nice. I need the rope. I'll take that. Okay, so I can do the sneak attack on the wolf, I guess. Yes, I can. Oh, those shaman. Why? Okay, two enemies near me. Do not want to die. No, 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 no. Okay, so let me just get my things out. No, wolf, do not catch up to me. Let me survive, please. Okay, I will survive very easily, guys. Don't worry. Your bro will survive very easily. Just a sec, Wolf. I'll take you all down. Now let's go with the flow. Nice. And easy. Let's go for this Dragon Shaman. Hello, Shaman. How are you? After 2 attacks, he does his special, guys. Same as the Giant Hermit. Okay, need to take the things. No one should know that I'm out here. I think in this zone there are like 3 maple trees. So I got the first one. So there might be 2 more. Let's loot this crate out here. If I get another piercing dagger, that would be fan-freaking-tastic, but it's fine, I did not get it. Oh, I see the another maple tree out there. Let's farm it. No, I'm getting attacked by the bees in the tree. Don't attack me, honeybees. Okay, so there has to be one more maple tree out here. Oh yeah, I see one more in the minimap, guys. As you can see, this wood giant will trouble me. I knew it. Wood giant, why are you troubling me? Okay, come out here, wood giant. Wood giant will trouble me. Okay, use your special, wood giant. By the way, let's farm ASAP. 1, 2, 3. 3 it's more than enough. Nice. Let me just do the healing thingy. Okay, wood giant, come for me. Use your special. Now let's run towards that maple tree again. Let's try to give it 3 hits again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice. No. Ah shit, why bear? Why? Okay, so I think last 2 hits I need to give it to the 3. Okay, no. Nice. 1, 2. Nice. I do not want to fight anyone. So there are like 3 trees in the red with friend zone. So just remember that, guys. And let's just exit the zone ASAP. So now let's go towards the solo zone right now. So out here, I guess there are like 2 trees if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Oh, I see one maple tree in the minimap. Okay, that's a good thing. No one is surrounding him. Just keep an eye on the minimap, guys. Always keep an eye towards the minimap. This thing might happen. As you can see, a red player. Okay, red player will come for me, I guess. I think the tree might be in the middle somewhere. Okay, so let's just exit the map because I do not want to die. So always, guys, if you see a red player, just exit the map. Otherwise, you will lose all the farming that you did. You do not need to take a risk because you do not have a defending chance, you know. You just need to run if you see a aggressive player. Now let's go towards the yellow zone. Okay, guys. After red zone is completed, go towards the yellow zone. So first of all, let's try with the with friend zone out here. So guys, this chest is already looted out here. So I think there is someone out here, or he might have farmed the maple already. So I might not get any maples out here. So let's just take a small round, you know. Okay, so I did not find the maple tree out here. The guy who has been out here has already farmed it. So let's go towards the solo zone. There we go, solo zone. I think this guy has already farmed the maple out here. So there is no maple out here also, guys. So no use of waiting out here because someone might show up as a aggressive player and you might die. And you do not want to lose your farm that you have done. So guys, after farming both the zones, the red and the yellow zone, just head towards your base and let's enter towards the home. So we are at the home and we are safe, and the best thing that I got from the zone is the piercing dagger. It's going to help me a lot in the woodens. But first of all, guys, I got like 8 maple log, which is freaking awesome, and that's a lot as a solo player, guys, getting a 8 maple log in just one freaking run, guys. And if your luck is very much awesome, you can get more than that. So that's it for today. And guys, whenever you farm a zone, you know, whenever you do a run, do it after 30 minutes. Give a 30 minutes cooldown period. Go towards green zone, farm wood, farm chest, farm stones, whatever you want to do it for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, again try for the maple. And with that, you can like at least you know, farm up to 10 maple planks in a day, which is like more than enough as a solo player. So that's it for today. I hope you all understood how to farm the maple, and I hope you all enjoyed. And if you all did enjoy, do leave a like, and if you are new out here, guys, do subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. So still then, take care, peace.